Will Campbell here at MarineMax Boston. Today we're going to go over the 2022 150 Montauk. This boat is equipped with a 60 horse Mercury 4-stroke. As we're in the back of the boat, you do have a swim ladder, easy to get on and off the boat. This boat is equipped with the full rail package, side rails, split bow rail. Also on the dash, you have a 7-inch Raymarine, a Raymarine VHF. This boat is also equipped with stereo with 2 speakers at the helm. Under the helm, you also do have storage, and also it is equipped with the fishing package. So you do have the cooler with the cooler cushion, backrest with the rod holders, and the tackle storage on the other side of the helm. You also have the bow cushion with also the anchor storage. This is a white hull with black graphics. This boat also does come with the swing tongue trailer that comes with a spare tire. If you have any questions about this boat or any boat in our inventory, give me a call at 813-414-3217. Thank you.